Hello students, secondary 2 chemistry. Now are going to learn a new unit 2 in chemistry, modern periodic table of elements. Elements are arranged in a table called modern periodic table. This is not the first trial for ordering of elements. There was Mendeleev periodic table, which has many disadvantages that you have studied before. Now we are going to learn the modern periodic table by mostly arranged elements in this table. Here elements are arranged as columns and rows. How many rows? 7 rows and 18 vertical columns. Instead of saying rows, we say period. First period instead of first row, second row, third row, fourth row, and so on. No, we say first period, second period, third period. So the periodic table consists of 7 periods, and instead of saying 18 columns, we say groups, 18 groups. First group, second group, third group, fourth group, and so on. So we are going to say now that periodic table consists of 7 periods and 18 groups. Okay, this is called the first group. These elements are similar to each other in chemical properties. These elements are also similar to each other, and so on. Each group has many elements, and these elements are similar to each other. This is why, because if you write the electronic distribution of the elements of each group, you will find that they have similar electronic distribution, especially in the outermost energy level, and so they have similar chemical properties. Elements here are arranged also ascendingly according to the increase in the atomic number. What is atomic number? Atomic number is the number of protons inside the nucleus of the elements. Atomic number is also the number of electrons, because you know that the atom is neutral, because the number of positively charged protons is equal always to the number of the negatively charged electrons. So atomic number is the number of protons and also the number of electrons. Elements here are arranged according to the atomic number. This is hydrogen, the element, the smallest element, has atomic number 1, helium atomic number 2, lithium atomic number 3, beryllium atomic number 4, and so on. Boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, and so on. The elements here are arranged as you see, increasingly one by one according to the atomic number. So the basis of arrangement of elements in the modern periodic table is the increase in the atomic number. Each group here in the periodic table has a name. The first group consists of elements, many elements: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, and so on. This group is called alkaline elements, or alkali elements, or alkali metals. This is for group 1. Group 2 is called alkaline earth minerals. The fifth group here has also a name, but these groups are not necessarily in names, but this group, red group, is called halogens, and this group is called inert gases or noble gases. Group 18, group 17, halogens. Group 1, alkali metals. Group 2, alkaline earth metals or alkali earth metals. Okay, these groups are very important. Here, this blue colored group are these groups are called transition elements. Transition elements. You are going to study these groups in secondary 3. But this year in the second term, you will learn some the elements of group 1 and elements of group 15, this group 15, nitrogen, phosphorus, zinc, and so on. These two rows in the bottom of the periodic table must be put here. This row must be put here, and this row must be put here. This group is called main transition elements, but these groups are called inner transition elements. Inner transition elements because they must be put here in this place. But if they put here, the table will be much elongated, much enlarged. So the scientists separated these two groups and put them in the bottom of the periodic table. That's all I want to say. Thanks for listening, and goodbye.